Hello. I'm Chisom Eze, and you are welcome to my YouTube channel, The Roadside Investor, where we provide you with the tools that can help you on your wealth creation journey to financial freedom and personal growth. If you're just stumbling on this channel for the very first time, welcome. I hope that you like what you see and decide to stick around and watch many other videos. But if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for all that you do. I see your likes, I see your comments, I see you engaging. Please keep it up, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because for every thumbs up I get, YouTube pushes my video to a larger audience. So thank you as you do so. And as you can see from the title of this video, I would be showing you how to invest and earn using the Bamboo stock trading app, and also showing you how to navigate the app. I have actually done a video before where I talked about how to navigate the Bamboo app, but just weeks ago Bamboo came out to say that they have changed some things in their UI design and everything. So I'm here again to answer your questions and show you how to navigate this Bamboo 2.0. So you want to stick around to the end of this video. So we'll just go ahead and take a look at the different things that have changed in the Bamboo stock trading app. New features, new UI, etc. We are covering everything. So on the landing page here, I'm just scrolling down, and you can see my stocks. These are some of the stocks I'm currently invested in on the Bamboo stock trading app. You can see their featured themes. So basically, on featured themes, you can see their own watch list, companies in manufacturing, MXP, just the different categories of stocks. We can just go ahead and click on crypto investors, for example, and we can see some companies that crypto investors invest in. So he says here that these companies and ETFs have decided to invest in cryptocurrencies through direct investments, accepting the cryptocurrency payments, or offering products and services that use cryptocurrencies. So if you're currently an investor that is looking to invest in companies that have some bit of hope within cryptocurrency, this is where you go to. So that's one importance of the featured things we have here. So going further down, we have the top movers, and these are the stocks making the biggest move today, being a trading day, right? So you can go ahead and see the stocks, just slide to see all of them. Those are the top movers. Going further down, you see the stock of the month. Here we have Zoom is currently the stock of the month. If we click on it, you see the information. I think we'll go back to the app page of the Bamboo stock trading app. So you can see recent news and the likes. That's basically what is here on the landing page of the Bamboo stock trading app. So just scrolling up again, there's something we can see here: a special offer, free stock advice. Let the best investors tell you what to buy next. So we're just going to click on that and see where that takes us. So basically, it's getting a stock advisor for free, and Bamboo has partnered with Monthly Fool to give you a year-long subscription to the world's best stock advisor. Let's get started. Okay, this takes us to another page, and you basically see what this is all about. So if you want to get a free stock advice, you can then click on I want free stock advice, and we're going over to another page. So basically, you just have to go ahead, fill the form, and go on with it. And that's for people that want a free stock advice. So Bamboo is definitely giving you a platform where you can actually get free stock advice that can help you to invest wisely in the stock market. So that's one very unique feature of the Bamboo stock trading app. So the next place we're going to go to is we're going to click on this summary of our portfolio, that is this green box here. You just click on it to get a breakdown of how one's portfolio is doing. So if you have some investments or stocks that you have bought using the Bamboo stock trading platform, this is where to go to. So you can see here portfolio return. You have the current value of your stock, the amount you have available to trade, if you have any good faith violation. You basically just come here to see your portfolio breakdown, either in 1 week or in 1 month or in 3 months. That's really up to you. So this is where you go, and this is how it looks. I might be blurring out some things here, of course, for just privacy reasons. I've gone back, and the next place we're going to go to, of course, will be the watch list. So this is the watch list page of the Bamboo stock trading app. We can see a lot of these are the themes we saw originally in the first page. Bamboo's watch list, this is Bamboo's watch list, Bamboo's league, this is manufacturing company, new stocks found, Emmett's peak. So basically you can decide to just click on one of these themes and see the various watch lists. So I just clicked on the X button just to go back to default. This is basically my own watch list. These are companies that are on my watch list, and it's a very unique page actually, because let's take Apple for example, clicking on this green button here, you get to see how you want to display your data. Do you want to display your data by the last price that the Apple stock traded in the market? Let's go ahead and do that. Currently it is displaying performance since added to watch list. So let's quickly click on last price. When I click on last price, the last price Apple stock was traded was $144.98, and that also reflects in other stocks here. I'm going to click on this icon again and display data in percentage change format. Can see the change is affected or across board, not just Apple but your entire watch list. You can see what stock has gone up and how many percent, what stock has gone down and how many percent. So I'm just going to go back to performance is added to watch list. Since I added Apple to my watch list, which was 189 days ago, it has gone up by 13%, and you can see that the filter or the display has also changed across every other app stocks that I have added to my watch list. So if you can see here, you can see this sort and filter feature here, and we're just going to go ahead and try that as well. So I'm clicking on sort. So when you click on sort, you can now sort stocks on your watch list in an alphabetical manner, or by price, by percentage change, by market cap, P ratio, earnings, dividends, and volume. So let's click on dividend yield, for example, and apply. Okay, so after our filter, initially it was Apple that was the top stock here, but now it has rearranged to VOO, UVV, Tesla, and the likes. Let's quickly click on VOO and see their dividend yield. Clicking on VOO and going to financials, and what I can see here is 1.3%. Let's go back, and I'm going to click on UVV, that's Universal Corporation, and take a look at their dividend yield, and it's also 5.9%. Last but not the least, I'm going to click on Tesla and click on financials, and their dividend/yield is 0.00%. So this is a good feature, but I think it's still quite buggy, and there might be some improvement needed, being that I'm trying to filter based on dividend and Tesla, I know Tesla doesn't give out dividends, so I'm not quite sure why Tesla is on the list, and I'm not sure why VOO is coming after UVV, being that from what we have seen, UVV is giving us a higher percentage when it comes to dividend yield. Whatever it is, I hope Bamboo can make that clearer. Great initiative, by the way. It could be really it could be something if it works really well. So that's that on sorting. Like I said, you can, these are the different ways you can sort. Let's click on filter now. So we can go ahead and let's try to filter by price. Let's say $100, and let's say below $300, and just click on done here and apply. Okay, so this is what comes out. Just because we just filtered by price, I think it's better for us to click on this green icon here and also display data based on price as well. So we clicked on above $100 and below $300, and this is what pops up. This is pretty accurate, so this filter works 100%. The next feature that Bamboo released that really got investors talking was the ability to compare stocks. So we're just going to go back to home, although we can just quickly search from here, but really anywhere. Okay, let's just click here and click on Apple. Yes, Apple is usually my use case. So basically, this is the stock page of Apple on the Bamboo stock trading app, and we're going to go ahead and analyze right now. So the first thing you see is the price. You see the percentage of whether it's up or down, and you also see the status of the market. The market is currently closed as I'm filming this. So you see a brief information about Apple. Apple is one of the world's largest companies. Its most well-known products are the iPhone, iPod, and Mac computer. Apple is currently the world's most valuable brand. Interesting. So going further, you can actually see the graphical change based on price, and you can filter by today, 1 week ago. Wow, that's really a downward trend. 1 month ago, which is also an upward trend 3 months ago. I mean, it's really left to you. And they said here that Apple shares are trading lower after the company reported Q3 earnings results. While the company beats EPS, that's earnings, and sales estimates, chip shortage concerns have possibly weighed on the stock today. Now, I'm reading this because I really love that Bamboo is taking our time to give you a holistic view, or at least a view of what might be happening as regards the company, or what might be the reason for the increase in price or decrease in price, just giving you their opinion. So we can actually see compare stocks and price alerts. Before we go there, let's really just take a look at the whole page and see what Bamboo really gives us. So they go ahead to give us their opinion about the Apple stock. You can go here and see. You can see everything they have to say. Last reviewed July 29, 2021. That's today actually. So you can go ahead and read and just get again a holistic view, just to really know what's happening as regards the Apple company, right? So I really love this feature as well. They're telling us their opinion. You can go ahead and see the story so far as well. So this is actually still more information about the Apple company, right? So going further down, you see the places where the Apple stock is featured in. Is featured in technology, which is a theme if you want to invest in just tech companies. Also most popular, of course, Apple is very popular. All stocks, Ross Geber's picks, these are just the different things that you can find the Apple shares in the Bamboo stock trading app. Finally, you then see the summary of about Apple, basically, right? and CEO sector etc, and that's basically that on the about page for a stock on the Bamboo stock trading app. So if you go over here, you will see financials, and we're just going to click on financials to see what's going on. So you can see here the open price, which is $144.84, and the volume, and you can see the highest and the lowest. My guess is that this is in the last trading session, because they also have a 52-week high and a 52-week low. So I think my guess is correct. You can also see the PE ratio, market cap, basically everything or things you need to make an important decision. Then you can go ahead and swipe to the news that are relating to the Apple stocks. You can see all of that, and click on it and just get informed. So we're going back to the about page, and we're going to click on compare stocks, right? So who do we compare with Apple now? I'm thinking, what do we want to compare Apple with? And something just came to my mind. I think let's do this. Let's actually search for Tesla stocks instead. So I clicked on Tesla stocks because I want to compare it with a very close competitor, and that would be NIO. I'm choosing these two because a lot of times I've gotten questions like, oh, Tesla or NIO, which do you think I should invest in, or which is better, or which has potential to do better? Well, no one really knows, but the numbers can tell you the story. So on the left side you have Tesla, that's in blue, and the yellow or the orange side is NIO. You can see here that Tesla is currently at $6.6 and NIO is currently at $41. It says here that we've encountered an unexpected error and we are working to fix it. If the problem persists, please contact our support team. Alright, we'll bear that in mind. So here are the statistics comparing Tesla with NIO. We can see the open prices, right? And we can see the highest and the highest price that the stocks did during the last trading session, and the lowest price, right? We can also see the 52-week high and 52-week low, and we can also see the volume. I mean, I think what's even really unique here is how the volume of Tesla is significantly lower than the volume of NIO. You can also see the average volume, and you can see the market cap as well, and you can also see the PE ratio for both companies, and you can see that Tesla's PE ratio is considerably higher than that of NIO. So you can do with that information what you may, and both companies currently do not give out dividends. So this is basically the what it looks like to compare two different stocks, and this is just for today. We can look at 1 week ago, right? Okay, clicking on 1 week ago, I see that the previous error was where the graph was actually supposed to show. Okay, so for 1 week ago, we can now see the disparity in the prices of both stocks in a graphical representation, right? So you can do with that information what you want to do with it, and you can go ahead and take a look at the previous statistics that we already mentioned. You can do the same thing for 1 month ago. You can do the same thing for 3 months ago. If you ask me, just looking at the graph, they almost have like similar patterns, the way they move, right? Whether high or low, there seems to be a similarity in their price movements, right? So that's basically what it is, or how it is to compare stocks on the Bamboo stock trading app. So you are very welcome. So the next thing would be price alerts. Now you can see here, set custom alert. You're about to set a custom alert for this stock. This action will not override the general notification and alert setting that is already turned on for your app. So the current share price for Tesla is $646.98. Now, you can set a price alert on amount, percentage, threshold, or 52-week high / low. So if you set an alert for amount, Bamboo will let you know when the stock hits a specific price. If you set a percentage threshold, Bamboo will let you know when this stock rises, or when this stock rises or falls below the threshold. And for 52-week high / low, Bamboo will let you know when the stock hits a 52-week high or low. So let's go ahead and click on amount, for example. So when you click on amount, then you will now add the amount that you want Bamboo to alert you when the Tesla stocks hits that price. Let's just say 650, for example, right? And you can actually add multiple prices, so you get multiple alerts for multiple prices, right? That's another great thing. So not just one, you can do as many as you like. So let's just say update, for example. Percentage threshold, you can do the same thing as well. You can say, let's just say 8%, click on update. I'm just really choosing random figures now. There is no logical reasoning behind it, so it's really just what it is. So aside all of this mentioned, the ways to buy and sell Bamboo stocks hasn't really changed. So my previous video on that is still very valuable. I'll be adding the link to that video in the description box and in the comment section in case you really just want to know how to buy and sell shares using the Bamboo stock trading app. This brings me to the end of this video. If you stuck around to watch to this very end, you're welcome, because now you know how to use the current version of the Bamboo stock trading app, and you know how to earn and invest in dollars using their app as well. In my next video, which will be dropping exactly 2 days from now, we'll be looking at the Rise Invest app. If you have heard of Bamboo, you definitely have also heard of the Rise Invest platform as well, and we'll be doing the exact same thing we did in this video for the Rise Invest app as well. That is, I'll be showing you how to navigate their platform, how to fund, how to withdraw, how you can actually invest and earn in dollars using the Rise Invest app. So stick around, subscribe, click on that notification button so you don't miss out.